that gives you that three ball on the weak side.
Oh, no look from Bird to Russell. Beautifully done. Inside of a minute and a half to go in the first half. 10 straight misses for Phoenix. Lloyd weaving, kicking. Bird a three. You bet!
Sue Bird doing the same. What magic do they have left?
Here's Lloyd. 5 to shoot. Lloyd switched on Griner, fading away. Can't get it to go. McMagor the rebound. Bird connects on a three.
The last 7:45.
4-point Phoenix lead. Bird will fire and hit from three. Bird looking to shake Petty, flips it up and in! Oh, Super! Gives it up. Bird around the screen. Nice find. McMagor lays it home. Bird and Lloyd. Bird a three to tie. You bet! There's a reason. Samuelson a three. Truth. 16 points for Katie Lou.